When people see questions like this, they're always telling me, oh, Mike, well, I didn't know we needed to memorize the formula for density. No, you don't. It tells you the formula in the question. You don't need to memorize that. It's good to know. It's not like a completely foreign kind of idea that that you don't need to know for daily life. Like density is a common enough measurement that you should know what it is. But they tell you, right? Density in grams per cubic centimeter. Use the units, right? So that means we're looking for the density. So it's, let's say, X grams. Now we can write that as a fraction per cubic centimeter, right? So that's the shortest way to do it. And so they give us both of those things, right? It has a mass of 168 grams and a volume of 24 cubic centimeters. So it's literally there. They're just telling you to divide the grams or divide the mass by the volume. And so that is the formula, right? So density equals mass over volume if you're one of those people who just needs to memorize it. But it's given to you, so there's really no excuse. So what are we really going to do? We're just going to divide. And so many of you would have done that anyway. Let's use the calculator. 168 divided by 24 is 7. So there you go. So another way to put it is X grams per cubic centimeter is 7 grams per cubic centimeter. And so remember, it's, if we wanted to think of it was the number, we could. It's per 1 cubic centimeter, but we don't really do that. There you go. That's the answer. We're at number 18, guys. Even in the first module, this is supposed to be a hard question, but it's only hard because some of you panic when you don't know the density formula. Density, speed, all sorts of unit things are just given to you by the units themselves. So think about fractions, think about ratios. That's almost always what we're using. There really is no excuse for getting flustered by this question. You just, if this is bothering you, you're going to have a whole lot of trouble when you get to the hard module because they're going to give us much harder stuff where we have to interpret what they're telling us, and you're going to feel like you don't have formulas, but there are no formulas. It's just learning from the instructions and doing what you're told.